Hi folks, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your PC or Mac for free. Just click the link in the description to head over to the Photoshop free trial page and follow along with me step by step. First, use the link below to go directly to Adobe's official Photoshop trial page. It's important to ensure your device meets the system requirements, as Photoshop is a powerful tool that runs best in a well-equipped setup. This will help you avoid any potential issues during installation. Once you're on the page, click to start your free trial. You will see 3 plans to choose from. Choose the individual plan. Here's a bonus tip. On the same page, you'll also see an option to sign up for Adobe Stock. I highly recommend checking that box. It gives you an additional 7-day free trial for Adobe Stock. Plus, you get 10 free assets like photos, templates, and more, which you can use in your Photoshop projects. Just make sure to cancel on time if you don't want to be charged later. Next, sign in or create your Adobe account. It's quick. Adobe will also ask for a payment method, but don't worry, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the instructions. I always suggest setting a calendar reminder just to be safe. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll install Photoshop. Once installed, launch Creative Cloud, find Photoshop in the list of apps, hit install, and let it do its thing. The installation may take a few minutes, so sit back and relax. And that's it. You now have Adobe Photoshop fully installed and ready to use for the next 7 days. Plus 10 free Adobe Stock assets if you grab that offer too. This is the perfect way to explore Photoshop's features and create stunning designs, edits, and graphics. Remember to click the link in the description to start your free trial and follow the steps in this video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy how-to guides like this, and tap the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.